intelligent peripherals for robots. IPR offers everything robots need to do their job. For over 30 years, IPR has been developing and manufacturing top-quality assembly and robot accessories. 1989, founded in Schweigern, Germany. 95 employees worldwide. 27 patents and utility models. 20 distributors in Europe, America and Asia. The whole world of assembly and handling technology. Extensive range of products with innovative systems and components for assembly and handling technology. Quality, technical expertise, and industry knowledge are our most important qualities. Discover our extensive portfolio of peripherals for robots, smarter, more flexible, and more universal. Grippers, for fast and precise gripping of workpieces of any shape. Tool changers, increase the productivity by fast and safe changing of tools on robots or portals. Load limiters, protecting tools and workpieces from damages. Compensation modules, reliably compensate for misalignments in X, Y and Z direction. Seventh axis for robots, efficiently extends the working ranges of industrial robots in all industries. Standard is not enough for us. Our standard components can easily be adapted to customer-specific requirements. For more complex applications, we design special solutions that are precisely tailored to your applications. Our range of industries include automotive industry, machine tool and plant engineering, electrical industry, renewable energy, medical technology, aerospace industry, industry-specific solutions for robot applications and automation systems, automated hole closure system, more flexibility and speed thanks to the all-in-one solution for the automotive sector. Cavity preservation, the essential automation solution against corrosion. PVC application accessories for seam sealing and insulation. What can increase your productivity? Get in touch with us today.